Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 1 Mid Grade School by Jordan Brand in the Chicago Black Toe colorway. It was released back in January 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £75. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from Nike and it comes with your classic black and gold Jordan box. The style code is 554725069. Inside the box comes the shoes in white wrapping paper, and like other grade school Jordan 1s, it comes with a gold Jumpman sticker. An extra set of white laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Like its name suggests, this is your classic Air Jordan 1 Mid in the red, white and black Chicago colorway, this time featuring a black toe box. It also has a square red tongue tab with a black Jumpman on top, finished off with a white midsole and a black outsole. The materials are your standard smooth synthetic leather, nothing special but more durable than your easy to scuff plush leather. Comfort wise, these are your standard flat air sole. It's good for all day comfort, but I wouldn't play basketball in these. Sizing wise, unlike the OG Jordan 1 High, where I usually go down half a size, I would recommend you stay true to size as Jordan 1 Mids tend to run a little bit more narrow. So the question, are these two pairs minimum? I'll probably say these are one of the strongest GR releases of 2020, so these will get a one pair mandatory. Yes, it's not your OG Jordan 1 High, the materials could be better, but the OG color blocking is easy to style and its resale price isn't too bad, so this could be a great addition or gift to a younger or smaller foot sized person. Of course, the serious sneakerhead may turn their heads up at Jordan 1 Mid, but I feel like overall these are a decent shoe. So here are my thoughts, now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. I want to say a big thank you to the gorgeous Sally for modeling this pair. Don't worry boys, her Instagram is in the description, so feel free to shoot your shot. But back to the video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment Chicago to show me you watched this video to the end. Please like, subscribe and follow me if you like more of this content. Apart from that, have a good day.